Okay, so you've done the microbit tutorial for dice. And what you should have here is that every time you shake, it gives you a random number. And you can tell that because it says on shake, show number, pick random 0 to 6. And you might have tried a random number like in a different range from 0 to 99, which is totally cool. Every time it shakes, it scrolls across, so that said 71. It's going to do a different one here, 97. Now, we learned that Mira uses her dice rolls to look up words to make a password out of, but we don't have a list of words to look up. So let's have our cool microbit project, instead of picking a random number, let's have it pick a random word. So you're going to need more blocks for that. So you need to click the purple finish button at the top of your screen, finish, and then it's going to leave the tutorial and give you all of the blocks you could possibly want. So what we're going to do is go into advanced, and I would like you to pick arrays. Arrays is the orange blocks. And we're going to make an array or a list that's a list of words that we can choose from. So I want you to choose the second block here, set text list. We're going to put this very carefully into on start. The nice thing about these blocks is that you can rearrange them however you want. So on start, we're going to set the text list, and let's just choose the one it has here. It says array of A, B, and C. So that means that there's just A, B, and C is in a list, and we can choose a random member of that list. So let's do showing that. We're going to find show string in your blue basic blocks. I'm going to put it underneath the number. So it's going to show number a random number, and then we'll show string a random string. To find that block, you're going to go into your arrays menu again, the orange one, and you're going to find get random value from list. Okay, so now it shows the number, and then it should show a random word as well. So let's play our new code and shake, and it says 35, and then it says undefined because we've only done get random value from list. We need this variable name to match this variable name. So let's choose it from the list. There we go. So now it's going to get random value from text list, which is the name of this array we created. Let's try it again, play. And then when we shake, it says 47B. There you go. So you can imagine how you can change these words instead of just letters. Maybe it's apple, banana, cherry. And if you want to add another one, you can just do plus. And you probably want more room for that. Let's put it down at the bottom. Okay, apple, banana, cherry. What's a fruit that starts with D? Durian. There we go. So now when I press play, I can shake, and it'll give me 19 banana. There you go. So you can make as many arrays as you want, and they can be of words or of characters. And all you need to do is set your text list. So maybe it's a star and hashtag and $. And then we can get a random value out of that list. So we can do the same thing as here, show string, and then a random value out of which list? This needs a new name. So I'm going to have a new one. This can be my symbol list. Okay, now I'm going to show string get random value from symbol list. Let's try it now. Shake. 18 durian. Hashtag. There you go. And then you can use this to generate a really secure password. So the most secure passwords will be long enough, so maybe more than 10 characters. They'll have numbers, they'll have letters, they'll have capital and lowercase letters, they'll have symbols. So you can use this to generate anything you want using set text list and get random value from list. Have fun.